Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a different type of unboxing slash revealing of some tech products or just something different other than luxury handbags. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that my favorite colors are purple, mainly purple and pinks. And my friend recently gifted me some like technology, I guess you could say, products that are of that color, and I thought that maybe I'll just unbox with you guys. So if this is the first time you're here to my channel, please like the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you like this type of content and all things beautiful. So first thing I want to show you is something that I've had, the Dyson hair dryer towards the left. I recently got this purple Dyson box, and what I wanted to show you is really the thing, the Dyson inside of it. Ta-da! I thought this would be cool to show. Pink and purple aesthetics. So I bought the sticker online, and then I thought this was really cool, so I thought I'd share with you guys. The box unfortunately doesn't have like a little hole, so I mean I use it every single morning after I shower, so I thought just keeping like this is fine, but it's just very pretty with the purple box. And the next thing I wanted to show would be this, a purple electricity outlet that has 4 USB for charging. So when my friends come over, I like to allow them, everyone likes to charge their phones, so I have like a mini kind of charging station on this side, and I thought this would just be really beautiful. It matches my aesthetics. So this I'm not gonna bother to unbox because you can see what it is. And then finally we have this gift right here. And I haven't opened it yet, but I'll show you. So it's my first time seeing it in person as well. Just bear with me. Dun, 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 dun. A pink and purple keyboard. I mean, a lot of us are all now still working from home. Some have returned to the office, but I think I'm going to keep this one for home use. Wow, it's so beautiful. I'm just hoping that it's easy to type on. And it matches my aesthetics perfectly. Let me just move that away. I love using candles at home. Came with a mouse. And that's it really. Thanks for joining my video today. It's a really quick one, and it's not something that you usually expect of an unboxing, but my channel is for me to, and allows me to share some of the stuff that I really enjoy using. Pretty little things, as you can see from my alias. And thanks everyone for joining, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.